Looking for a way to boost your accuracy and ease when using your mobile device? The Crosstech 3 Plus Stylus Replacement offers just that: smooth, precise control for navigating any capacitive touchscreen. Whether you're editing, sketching, or just scrolling, this stylus makes your interaction effortless and natural. I've been using the Crosstech 3 Plus Stylus Replacement for a while now, and what stands out is its versatility. The 8mm wide stylus tip glides smoothly across screens, making it perfect for everything from quick taps to detailed work. Plus, it's compatible with most touchscreen devices, including ATMs and keypads, which means you can keep your hands clean and safe in public spaces. What's more, it unscrews to reveal a built-in eraser, ideal for those moments when you need to make quick corrections without switching tools. If you're already familiar with the Crosstech 3 Plus pen, you know how it transforms easily from a black ballpoint to a red editing pen or a pencil. While the Stylus Replacement doesn't include the pen itself, it perfectly complements your existing setup by adding touchscreen precision. Users across the U.S. have praised its smooth glide and durability, noting it holds up even with heavy use. It's a smart choice for anyone who values both functionality and safety in their everyday tools. Worth a look if you want to promote a safer, more efficient workspace by carrying your own pen and stylus. The Crosstech 3 Plus Stylus Replacement gives you the control you need without sacrificing comfort or style. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your mobile device experience and enjoy the smooth accuracy it brings to every tap and swipe.